I do not condone what I'm seeing happening here.
Oh my God, Lily.
Sorry, we just had to.
Every red light.
Nice.
Chinese fire.
Please do not do this at home. Somebody will get nailed by a car. And then it'll go viral, so go ahead and do it.
Could you imagine?
Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you.
Early Thanksgiving. Grandma Great's house.
Here, come here.
This is a, Ma, would you explain? Ma, can you explain what?
Get it? No, I didn't.
Will you explain what's going on here?
We're having Thanksgiving.
Yeah, but what's with the shirts?
Oh, we're taking family pictures, and we are the nucleus of an entire family of like 14 people. We started, so we
start with this mess.
We started, yes, and then we created.
Then we have blue for the Burks.
Yes.
Orange for the Prince Rivas.
Are we supposed to bring those ships over there?
What ships?
Kenny's shirts or
Hi,
Hey again.
I'm the greeter.
Hi, greeter.
Hello, hello. Oh, I know you, Connor.
This is a setup for Thanksgiving at Grandma's. Tradition every year. We do it the Sunday. There's Grandma Great. They do it the Sunday before Thanksgiving. Real nice setup here. There's Grandpa Great. Now, is this a real turkey or just for show?
This is a
Plastic bird.
Just a plastic bird that, and then we order pizza, right?
That's right.
Maybe I'll get you carving it later. Is it ready to carve?
No.
Not yet. Okay. That knocked your hat off.
Really quick. Get this on video here.
Good throw.
Watch this. Tiffany's gonna catch it.
Don't hit her in the face. Oh, almost.
My ball's getting wet.
Go ahead and throw it, T.
They should put a cheat sheet.
Good throw.
Alright, now me and Gavin are gonna play for a little bit.
Dude, we're just gonna make a big circle.
Oh, good catch.
I can't. Now throw it to Connor, Tiffany. No, throw it to me, because Connor doesn't throw it to me.
Oh. Good catch. Throw it to me. Oh. Knocked her hat right off her head. Throw like a girl. Whoa. Who taught you how to throw?
You did.
She used to throw like a girl, and I taught her how to throw like a guy.
You taught me how to throw.
That's right. Let your mommy throw it.
What did he say?
He said that Gavin can't play with me.
That you can't play with him? Yes, you can. You can play. Gav, here.
You can play.
You can play. Everybody can play. Are you kidding me? Somebody does me.
Good throw.
Yay.
Nice spiral. It's starting to rain
My
out.
heels are sinking like massively.
Are they stiletto?
I don't know. Hi.
Are they glass?
Oh,
Are they glass heels with goldfish in them?
get it, Gavin.
Oh, here's Bodie.
Here's Bodie.
So tell me, what was it like back in the 60s?
Oh, yeah, it's good, Mom.
Did it have any influence on the rest of your life? Or the way you dress? Or the way you grow your hair?
No,
No. Not at all.
I haven't changed.
No influence whatsoever.
Oh, Gavin. Gavin, go to me. Go away.
He's looking at me and then he's looking at you. That's the person he said you need.
I'm gonna throw it high, okay? Preston, I freaked out when I was young too.
You guys scared? You just randomly fell.
Oh.
And kick.
Mom, where's Kenny and Lindsay?
family picture time
Oranges! Huddle up, Gavin!
with famous photographer Lindsay Collins Hendricks. Heather, I might need a wide angle for your there you go.
Come on, huddle up. Should we take these off? Yes. We're doing orange first.
Orange in the back.
Blue
Bag, blue front. Orange
Okay, and I
back.
want little ones here by me. Little ones here.
Someone just take it, like push the button.
Okay.
All the balloons have to be together.
Lindsay, over here.
Yeah, because on mine it's like it's right under this flash button, but it's definitely not there.
Over by Papa.
Kenzie.
Yeah, over here, guys. Because then that way they'll say the
Mackenzie's
verbs
eyes
again.
look purple with that headband.
Ow! All right, it's our turn. Who's got my baby? This is just us,
Sit
our
up.
beautiful family.
Sit up, Buddha.
I'm vlogging.
Let me see that.
You have to have your camera there.
I will.
Yeah.
On YouTube.
Did you get it? Take a picture of me.
Put your camera down.
No, not. Hurry up!
Wait, nice.
Team Orange.
Give me that thing. Give me this.
No, I'll take him. Thanks.
No, give me it.
Give me that thing.
Okay.
I don't think it. I'll hold your wine.
What are you girls doing?
Mackenzie, go in there.
Hurry up! Hurry! Hurry! Run! 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 Go! 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 Go!
Go, Mackenzie. Go, Mackenzie.
Orange team's up. March! 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 Green team. The A team.
Oh my God, look at that. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Look at Big Dagger. Look at him smile. Mackenzie, smile, baby.
Boy, some of you have aged.
My hair in my face.
This is how it all started.
Wow, Lindsay's like
It's
a
pretty
pro.
good.
This little clan created this. Austin's going to do the prayer tonight, followed by Gavin doing the follow-up.
No, I'm not.
Everybody's supposed to say this with two. Everyone, Mackenzie gave us a special little treat, and if you look on a place setting on tables, there's a little card, and we want everybody to say her poem with her. So if you want to just grab, they're right at the place settings. If everybody could grab them, if you have one, and just look and share them, run, get ready, Braxton. Okay, does everybody have it? Wait, I know.
Jake.
Okay, okay.
Get it.
Oh, okay. Are you ready? Okay, here we go.
Where's Mackenzie?
Okay, everybody, are you ready? So do you want us to all say it together? Okay, tell us when to go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We give thanks for the food we share, for the sun and the rain and the friends who care. Thank you,
Yeah, I'm gonna say the blessing. I actually wrote a poem too because I think it's really cool that we're all here together as one. I'll read that after, but I did that before I even knew Mackenzie wrote that, so that's pretty cool. All right, so I'll say the prayer real quick. Dear Lord, I just want to thank you for having us all here together. It's so amazing that we just came from different parts of America and just like all to be together today. And you know, thinking back at my childhood, I just remember family and how important that is, and some of our best memories come together at this house. So I pray that we would just remember this night and never forget the good times we share together. Amen.
Amen.
Alright, so my poem is called Thanksgiving. What does Thanksgiving mean when it's said? Is it eating together or breaking the bread? To me, it's a holiday meant to be spent with the family around you whose love can't be bent. The ones who adore with all of your heart, the ones that no distances tear you apart. These past years were spent with our families away, but we're finally together as one here today. We're thankful for blessings that we don't even see, and the blessings so vivid they're obviously sent from above with a bright fancy bow, and they shine with the sun, and in the night they glow. Good health with knowledge and housing above, strength through tough times, and the family we love. We're lucky to have these, as not many do, and we must look around at the people who brought us together and started our lives, or fought for our freedom by risking their life. We're a family together, so now as we sit, let's remember this night and never forget.
Good poem. Good job, Austin.
When did you write that?
Yeah. Just now, right this second? Yeah. You just made that up? Girly girl table. Crazy face.
Oh my gosh, she is.
She's a ham and cheese.
She's not so shy, Mackenzie.
Look at this spread. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Okay, the people who came from out of town get to go first. All the out of towners.
Grandma, will you just point out what everything is? Tell us what everything is. What's that?
I don't know.
What's this?
Hurry up, out of towners.
What's that?
Come on, Sean.
What's that? What's that?
Quit the video.
What's that?
Get hot.
You know the turkey?
Before the out-of-towners get mad.
Grandma, what does your apron say?
I have no idea. I was just pretty, so I.
Martinis make my clothes come off?
No.
Grandma!
Right.
Please!
You needed to read.
We're around young people. What does yours say, Grandpa?
Daddy, show him yours.
Oh no.
Screw the crackers. I want to do
What does it say?
Screw the crackers. Polly wants a drink.
I like it. Do it again. Do it again.
Reenact it.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh, Casey.
Oh, that's a fail.
Burp.
I can't.
I'm
Burp.
Tiffany can. Get Tiffany over here.
Where did you learn your manners?
Watch him vomit all over the table.
Wait a little bit and say the big one. I'm like working.
Uncle Sean.
Hold on.
Uncle Sean.
Fail.
Weak. Burp.
I don't have any.
Weak. You guys are weak.
You guys might be sitting tradition is tonight. What is this? Wait, Uncle Sean, what is this?
That's what you use to clean your teeth.
Really?
Yeah, they clean the grit out of their teeth with that. Try it.
What's this, Uncle Sean?
It's a little paddle for Grandma Great.
When she's being naughty.
You got a burp?
No.
Oh. What do you got?
No, you're like bad luck.
Me and Whitney me and Austin were lighting our farts on fire last night.
Yeah?
and they didn't have a lighter, so we just had to use matches.
Yeah.
And Whitney walks in the room, and it smelled like burnt butt. It smells so bad.
Burp
Ready,
butt.
Uncle Sean?
You gonna burp?
It's probably like bad washing it.
That was weak. You guys are weak.
I'm gonna belch.
Watch brothers and sisters kiss. It's so weird.
Oh!
I almost threw up. up.
You're gonna vomit all over the place.
A bunch of it in your mouth and Coke. And add some Coke in there.
Do it. Oh, what's he doing?
He knows where to push the buttons. He's so funny. Shaker.
He's like the E-Trade baby.
Yeah, he is. He is. He is like the E-Trade baby.
He's totally opening all over. And if you listen to what's up,
Yeah. Oh, he's playing with the dolls now. Oh, that's funny. He knows how to.